My name's Tim Ganley and I'm Managing Director of Go Orthotics, which is a custom-made orthotic manufacturing business in Auckland, New Zealand. So Go Orthotics started in 1994 when I qualified as a podiatrist. In 2004 we were the first to bring CAD/CAM and CNC machining technology to New Zealand, and we've always innovated and led from the front, which is why we were the early movers in this space in 3D printing. The Stratasys H350 printer enables us to produce vastly superior orthotics, mainly because of the design software capabilities that we use now. We're able to produce multiple pairs of orthotics in one print build, which is a vast time saving for us and our technicians. This allows us to manufacture orthotics with amazing specifications and unique features that weren't possible in traditional orthotic manufacturing. It's opened up a whole new world of design and performance benefits to our clients, and the end users of the product find that the fit and the comfort of 3D printed orthotics is much better than what we could have achieved before. But we chose PA11 SAF material because it was ideally suited to orthotics manufacture. It provides flexible and durable parts that can withstand the stress needed inside the shoes where orthotics are worn. The Stratasys H350 printer also suited our needs because we were able to fit the printer into a small area that we had available in our factory, and that suited our needs perfectly. Right from the beginning, Stratasys have been incredibly supportive. They've been quick to respond to any problems that we've had, and we've really enjoyed the benefits of such modern technology provided by Stratasys.